Okay, so in the padding area, more and more often we've been making pads from KBA gangs and press sheets. And in order to do this efficiently, we needed a change. This is our old SM, or Speedmaster Paddy Wagon. And if you look at what a standard press sheet is like, it fit on a Paddy Wagon no problem. But more and more often, we're turning to a KBA because we have more and more gangs of more and more pads, so they're a lot bigger. However, the problem was that we couldn't fit a KBA long side, when it was glued on the long side, onto a smaller SM Paddy Wagon. So we looked for one, we couldn't find one, we decided to make one ourselves. We called one of our welding contractors. He took an old wagon just like this one, cut off the edges, when he cut the edges, he put expanders in it, here and here, so that now a standard KBA press sheet can fit on a Paddy Wagon without having to cut it down. Previously, when this wouldn't fit on the wagon, we would have to cut a KBA sheet into 2 or 3 sections depending on how it was laid out, and instead of being able to have one finished edge, it would get cut into 2 sections, thereby increasing the work volume by 2. We would have to pad each section individually then twice, as opposed to having to do it once. Now having this larger KBA wagon, we're able to just put one job on, it fits on, stack it to the height of the job, and pad it one time instead of 2. So this process of changing a smaller SM Paddy Wagon to a larger KBA Paddy Wagon has done 3 things for us. We don't have over-processing any longer, we don't have the motion waste any longer, and we don't have the transportation waste any longer.